All right, we're at PG3. We are sprigging this green with Jones Dwarf. We are researching the fact that this bent grass has lived its life at Huntsville Country Club, and we're using one of our busiest putting greens to test the Jones Dwarf. Now for me, it's not a test. I've been growing this Dwarf Bermuda, this Jones Dwarf, for over 16 years. I know what it can do. I know its capabilities, and I'm excited to show our membership exactly how good our greens can be and not worry about summer stress or bent grass declines through the months enduring in the next few months. It's the middle of June now, so our heat season's just starting, and we already have a few greens that's stressing out. So this is my remedy. We're in the transition zone just like everyone else. They're going to a Champion, they're going to a Mini Verde. I'm going to Jones Dwarf because, in my opinion, for transition zone, this is the best Bermuda you can put. It plays like an Ultra Dwarf. You manage it like a Tiff Dwarf. You can overseed it, and we are going to overseed here. We're going to overseed with bent grass and Poa trivialis. So we've got a nice stand of bent grass and cool season turf from roughly September to the end of May. And then when it gets hot, this Jones Dwarf will outgrow that cool season grass, and we will have, in my opinion, some of the best greens in this area in midsummer. So stay tuned. I'll be posting pictures and videos. I'll be blogging about it. But I'm gonna tell all you guys out there right now, if you're in transition zone and you're having a hard time with bent grass, Jones Dwarf is the way to go.